Hello everyone, welcome to the another video edition of College Deco. In this video, I am going to explain about the detailed Telangana MSET counseling process. Telangana MSET results were released on October 6, 2020 and almost 89,000 candidates have qualified the entrance exam for the engineering stream. So the engineering counseling is set to begin from October 9. Telangana State Council for Higher Education has already released the detailed schedule and notification for the counseling process. So just like the previous year, there aren't many changes in the counseling process and the entire process will remain same. So some of the important details related to the counseling are: the first phase counseling is set to begin from October 9 with registration. The counseling fee this year is rupees 1200 for general category and rupees 600 for reserved categories. So the registration for TS MSET counseling will begin from October 9 and it closes on October 17. The candidates can book slot for certificate verification from October 12 to 18. Just like previous year, there is slot booking for certificate verification where the candidates will have to select the date and time for certificate verification. The detailed slot booking dates and time are available in the link under this video, and the certificate verification will take place from October 12 to 18 and the candidates can exercise web options from October 12 to 20 and freezing of web options is from October 20. The first round seat allotment results will be released on October 22. The final phase counseling will begin from October 29. So these are the dates of TS MSET counseling which you will have to remember. And for slot booking, the candidates will have to pay the processing fee in advance through the official website, that is tseamcet.nic.in. You will have to pay the processing fee there with the help of your TS MSET hall ticket number, ICR number or application number, and then you need to book the slot for certificate verification. So the counseling process involves different stages, where the first stage is registration, second stage is slot booking for certificate verification, and then document verification, exercising web options and allotment of seats, and finally reporting to the allotted institute. So the documents required for the Telangana MSET counseling are Telangana MSET hall ticket, Telangana MSET rank card, transfer certificate TC, Aadhaar card, SSC mark sheet, class 12 mark sheet, study certificate from 6th standard, residence certificate, if applicable. Like residence certificate is applicable to those parents who are living in Telangana for more than a period of 10 years. So intermediate certificate, caste certificate, income certificate and physically challenged certificate if applicable. So this is only for engineering counseling. The dates for BPC counseling or agriculture counseling have not been released. So the candidates, if you have any doubts with regarding to the Telangana MSET counseling, you can post your question under the comment section and we will respond to your queries. You can also stay tuned to collegedeco.com for more updates on Telangana MSET counseling. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.